I'm Paige, and I'm going to show you how to make a cocoa bomb with lots of tips and tricks.
Are the ingredients we used to make a strawberry cocoa bomb? We used white chocolate, we used almond bark. We did some freeze-dried strawberries for decoration and for the inside, mini marshmallows, strawberry Nesquiks, and just for a bit more stuff, some strawberry flavor.
First step, melt your chocolate. If you have a almond bark, ask for a parent to cut it up. If you're using one of the candy melter wafers, you can just pop that in. For the microwave time, 1 minute to 30 seconds, and keep on checking it each time.
We added freeze-dried strawberries into it to make it strawberry chocolate for the strawberry cocoa bombs.
Here's a tip for you to how to make your cocoa bombs a bit easier. You can get this mold. You pour that chocolate in, and then you can always cut them up into smaller, so you can roll it around in it, so you can get chocolate all around the base. Another tip. For extra flavor in your bomb, you can use strawberry flavoring or whatever flavor you're making, not extract. You take your marshmallow, put it on the top of the bottle, and flip it back, and then let it dry. This will make your bomb extra flavoring. You'll need 1 marshmallow that has flavor in it in your bomb. Here's how you fill the molds. Take 1 spoonful of chocolate, take your mold, plop it in the chocolate, and then spread it around with a spoon. You can get more chocolate if needed. Roll it around inside the mold. Tip it upside down and pour any extra. You can use a spatula to scrape off any extra too. Flip it upside down onto a cookie sheet. Place it in the freezer for about 5 minutes, no longer and no shorter. Once the timer goes off, take your cocoa bombs out of the freezer, then carefully peel back the molds to reveal your cocoa bomb. No cracks. Here's another tip. First, do your shells, then fill them. That way, things go quicker. And this is how you fill them. You take our marshmallows that we made earlier, some strawberry Nesquik mix, regular marshmallows, and freeze-dried cut strawberries. Here's another tip. First, put your marshmallow and 1 of the strawberry flavored marshmallows in, and then put the Nesquik. So that way, you get more of the marshmallow. Take a handful of marshmallows and put them in 1/2 of the cocoa bomb, and then take 1 of your special marshmallows and pop them in 2. Then take your freeze-dried cut strawberries and place them in 2. Then take 1 tablespoon of the Nesquik into the cocoa bomb, so that way it can sink through the marshmallows. And then keep on repeating this a couple times, so that way you get all of them filled. Notice that I'm only filling half of the cocoa bombs. That's because the other half is going to be tops. adult for help with this. Take a pot with boiling water in it and put a plate over it. So we're going to use this to help glue the two cocoa bombs together. Take your half of your cocoa bomb and rub it on the top of the plate hardish. Then take your other half, and press them together. By heating half of the cocoa bomb, it will use as glue to glue the cocoa bomb together. Like this one, we'll fix it in a little bit. Use some leftover chocolate from the hot plate and use it to fix those cracks. Here's a tip. Take an upside down muffin tin, put some saran wrap over it so it's easy cleanup. Then take your cocoa bomb. It's okay if it has like a little smudge or something. You want to put that face side up so you decorate it over it so it looks all nice and pretty. For decorating, take your melted chocolate in a Ziploc bag. Pour the melted chocolate into a bag. Tiniest! And when I mean tiniest, I mean tiniest. Like, very tiny. Here's my tip. When putting the icing on, you don't want to start on the cocoa bomb. You want to start off the side of the cocoa bomb and then go across it as fast as you can. Like that. You can always put something on top. First, we're going to use the freeze-dried strawberries. And you want, if you're going to put something on top, make sure the icing's wet so it can stick. Let's try it. Add hot water or milk and put your cocoa bomb in it. In this video, I used warm milk, so that's why I took a bit for it to melt. Then wait for it to explode. It's really cool to see it bubble up. It's like you see the marshmallows, then you see like the powder, and you see every little bit that you put into it. And make sure to stir it around too. Another favorite of mine is Oreo! For the Oreo Coke Bomb, you'll need some white chocolate, marshmallows, mini Oreos, some Oreo pudding added to your regular hot cocoa mix. Add crushed Oreos to the white chocolate to make it Oreo flavored chocolate. For this one, I put the cocoa bomb in first, then I poured the hot milk over it. It's still pretty cool to see it too. The ingredients for the chocolate cocoa bomb is almond bark, chocolate flavored, marshmallows, and cocoa mix. Now for those that you want to go fancy out there, we took our white chocolate and some red candy melt and mixed them together to get a nice swirled shape. And then we added crushed candy canes into the cocoa bomb to give it to make a candy cane cocoa bomb. Thanks for watching. Hope you go make a cocoa bomb.